138 এবং 86 নম্বর ব্যাটালিয়ন ছাড়াও 3 নম্বর বিএসএফ ব্যাটালিয়নের এক জওয়ানের করোনায় আক্রান্ত। তিনি কমলপুর হাসপাতালে ভর্তি ছিলেন এবং তার মধ্যে করোনার লক্ষণ ছিল, জানিয়েছেন ত্রিপুরা স্বাস্থ্য সচিব এম কে রাকেশ। শুক্রবার সন্ধ্যায় মহাকরণে সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে তিনি বলেন, যেহেতু রাজ্যে কোভিড-19 রোগীর সংখ্যা বাড়ছে, সেদিকে লক্ষ্য রেখেই ভগৎ সিং যুব আবাসকে 300 শয্যার কোভিড হাসপাতালে পরিণত করা হয়েছে। এখানে মূলত যাদের কোনো করোনার লক্ষণ নেই এবং খুব অল্প লক্ষণ রয়েছে তাদেরই চিকিৎসা করা হবে। আপাতত রাজ্যে মাত্র 2 জন রোগীর দেহে করোনার লক্ষণ রয়েছে।
Good evening, everybody. As you know, yesterday we had 24 positive samples. 24. Out of 673 samples which went under test. And again, all 24 were from BSF. There was one case from Kamalpur Hospital of BSF 3rd Battalion, where a sub-inspector was also found positive. He was working in the line BOP near Kamalpur Subdivision and was admitted for complaint on fever, flu and coughing. So his sample was also taken, and before the result came out, he was already in GB because the symptoms had aggravated. So he is already there, and other 23 are now already admitted in the GB. Now, as the numbers are increasing, government has decided that Shahid Bhagat Singh Youth Hostel will be converted to a dedicated COVID care center. And from tomorrow onwards, if we have any more patients, we would use that facility for their accommodation. And that place would be used for keeping the persons with mild symptoms and asymptomatic persons. We expect that there will be initially 200 seats available for such patients, and if required, it can further be increased. So this will run in parallel with our GB and other facility which I had mentioned yesterday. Now, today efforts have gone post declaration of positive result of that Kamalpur patient. Dhalai BOP area has also been declared a containment zone as per the procedure, and the mopping of operation and surveillance has started. The contacts are being traced. So we are working on, because this BOP comes under 3rd Battalion located at Nalkata. Some of the Nalkata BSF personnel we had tested earlier in connection with our first patient, but this person has no link with that first person. He was posted in BOP since 14th March itself, working there. So his nearby contacts, etc., they have been traced, samples are being collected. In Kamalpur containment zone, about 4,800 persons are residing. So they have been appraised of the situation and measures are being taken for containment. Now, on the sampling fronts, since the first patient reported in the line, we have taken till today evening about 1,200 plus samples on contact tracing basis. Sample taking of 138 Battalion, both serving personnel and family members, is complete. Today, 86 Battalion, all personnel sample have been taken, and of the family members, 27 samples have been taken. They will be further taken. So by and large, this is the development for today. For some statistics purposes, since the beginning we started the quarantine process, we have put about 13,000 persons under quarantine, out of which 11,500 have completed. As of today, there are 448 persons under facility quarantine and 1,252 under home quarantine. We have tested about 7,400 plus samples, and total 89 have been found positive, 2 have recovered, 1 has left the state before the result came, and others are in GB, except one child who is in the care of DSF hospital. So this in brief is for today. If you have any question.
So is there any initiative to collect the samples from other BSF headquarters?
Yes, we have had discussion with the IG. So now we are working on how to take some samples on random basis from their other battalion headquarters also.
Sir, what about the report of BSF IC case of regarding?
Yes, we had got a report from the SFIG. It did give information on the first patients which came. While details were there. Yesterday we had a meeting. Honorable CM had taken a meeting and we discussed the further. So further detailed report, because every day situation is evolving, we are likely to receive. So that will give
What about the source of infection? What they say about it?
We are still working on backward basis to find the source of infection. But as I had mentioned earlier, the BSF, what they are saying is in post-lockdown, no person from outside has come. So those who have come before lockdown, some of it might be the source of infection. But because it's a 28-day cycle, most likely he has recovered. So as of today, he is a negative, but he may have infected somebody who then have infected somebody, the chain has started. However, because this number is increasing, we are in touch with NCDC, National Center for Communicable Diseases. For disease, they deal with the communicable disease, and we have requested them to come to Tripura, do the investigation and analysis, so that we can have a better appreciation of how things have spread and also how it may turn out. They are the best agency in the country to deal with the communicable disease.
Do they say about that it is from civilians and this kind of information you have?
Who said?
This IPSF side? There is no sir.
We don't deal with the speculations. If we have the tracing which leads to a civilian or leads to a service personnel, it will be definite. But there is no such statement made.
Pure Report, Channel Din Raat.